Our role. KEYENCE, a global company who supports manufacturing across the world through factory automation. Established in 1974, we have grown steadily since then, gaining global recognition. Let us introduce what KEYENCE does. Factory automation, our business, is literally to automate the manufacturing process for factories. In an automated factory, our sensors act as the eyes or nerves of robots that are used to support the manufacturing process for products we use in our daily lives. KEYENCE also supports manufacturing for innovative products of the future with our cutting-edge technology. Factory automation. Optimizing the manufacturing process to reach an operational level that is difficult with human hands or eyes using our sensors. High-speed defect checking. High-precision quality checks to see if all small parts are assembled correctly. High-efficiency manufacturing line with automated 24-hour picking process and more. Faster, better, easier. Factory automation is evolving manufacturing, supporting development of the products and advancement of society. KEYENCE does business with over 90% of all industries in the world. We, as a global leader in factory automation, continue to evolve from now on. Across many industries, let's create new value with your ideas, changing the status quo one product at a time. KEYENCE.